So hi there, today I'm going to review the USB Type-C hub. So it's gonna have the 1 gigabit Ethernet, also the one HDMI, 3 USB 3, one is like SD card reader, and adapter is the power delivery. So this one is specifically made for iPad, and also can work with the mobile phones that support USB Type-C, and also the tablet like iPad Pro. So let me open it to see. Right here I need to remove the seal and also pull out, and here I have the hub. It's named like Nitasa, and the body is made from aluminum, and here we have the internet port, and here we have the 3 USB types A with support of 3 USB 3 standard, and here we have the one port of power delivery. This is also the USB Type-C, and here we have the HDMI port, which is used for external monitor, and here we have this SD card and TF card reader. And let's see how does this work. Here I have is USB female port, and this is already connected with my computer. So now I'm going to connect this one with the hub. Okay, and we see the light is on, and also from this side the light is on. And now let's test this with the external HDMI, and here I have the HDMI cable that's connected to my external monitor. So let's plug in. Okay, and let's see how does this work. Okay, so here's already output the signals to the external monitor, and let's check with here also I have the an SD card, which is here. So I'm gonna plug it in to this hub. Okay, so we need to turn it a little bit. Okay, and now I have the cards is already connected, and let's try to copy maybe a file to see what is the speed for that. And here I have the one like 800 megabyte file. So let's see what is the speed of that. So the speed is about 15 megabyte per second, so which is about like under one. Now it's go to 25, and it's keep constant at 25 megabyte per second. So this is pretty high for this hub, and maybe it's depend on the speed of the SD card. If we try with faster SD cards, the speed may be higher. So that's a pretty good one. Thank you for reading, for watching.